Hey folks, Brad Young here with Landmark Credit Repair. These are 3 facts you need to know about collection companies. Number 1, they pay pennies on the dollar for your debt. Say it's $1,000 collections, they probably paid about $10, $15 for the debt. The original creditor charged off the debt. So the debt has been charged off, they got a tax credit on it. So these companies buy these debts to make profit off of them from you as a consumer. So say it's $1,000 debt, they pay 20 bucks for it, they come to you saying you owe $1,000. But they may make you a deal and say, look, we'll do it for 500 bucks, but they only paid $20 for the debt. So why do you feel obligated to pay them $1,000 or $500 for a debt that they paid $20 for? Why? You shouldn't. So that's a first important thing that people do not understand, that these companies buy these debts for pennies on the dollar to charge you X amount to make a lot of money off of you. So that's why I tell people never pay collection companies. Number 2, violations, what's called the FDCPA. That's the Fair Debt Collection Practice Act. These laws are put in place for consumers to protect consumers. A lot of collection companies have violations on the collection letters. They have violations on your credit report. But you gotta know how to read and decipher those and know what the violations are, how to catch them, making mistakes to help you as a consumer. That's what we specialize in. So if you don't understand how to read credit reports, collection letters, and understand consumer law of the FDCPA, you wanna get some professional help to help you understand that. Last but not least is dropping your credit score. I had a client in the past that was signed up with us for their credit restoration. He called me back a month later and said he wanted to hold off. And I was like, okay, I'll hold off. He called me back a month or 2 later and he was very mad, and I was like, what's going on? He said the mortgage person told him to not do credit repair, to take the $20,000 he had for his down payment and to pay off all his collections. He paid them all off and they was unable to close on his loan. It literally dropped his credit score. So a lot of consumers don't have a clue that when you pay off old collection accounts, they put it back on your credit report as a paid collection, and it changes what's called the LDA, the last date of activity. So paying off old collections can actually drop your credit score dramatically. This is 3 things about collection companies you need to know. And like I said, I would never pay collection companies, and neither should you. Before you make the mistake of calling them and making a payment option or a payment agreement, make sure and give us a call for your free consultation. I've been doing this over 20 years, helping consumers not pay collection companies a penny and get the items off their credit report. So if you'd like a free consultation to go over your reports at no cost at all, make sure and give my team a call or click on the link below to learn more.